Hi, today I'm introducing a new type of tutorial, and it's to do with retrieval practice. So I have a set of statements here and I'd like to go through them and determine whether they're true or false. I urge you to come up with your own questions for any topic in any subject and to practice as much as you can. So the first question is, a quadratic equation always has two real roots. What do we know about quadratic equations? Well, we know that they can be checked. We can determine the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation by checking the determinant, and that's b squared minus 4ac. That's called a determinant. There are three conditions. If it's greater than 0, we have two real distinct roots. If it's less than 0, we have no real roots. And if it's equal to 0, we have equal roots. Well, just on the second condition, where b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, we have no real roots, makes this a false statement. So we'll write false here. Number 2, the relationship x into x squared add 4 is equal to x squared add 4x is an identity. What is an identity? Well, it's where both sides of the identity are equal for any value of the unknown quantity. Here, the unknown quantity is x. So if we substitute a value for x on both sides of this equation, it should be equal. Both sides should be equal. But before we do that, we can just clear the brackets here. You can see the first x times x squared will give us x cubed. We only have an x squared on this side, so clearly this is not an identity. So this is also false. And lastly, we have the expression here, and we want to know if it can be expressed as three separate fractions. Well, it'd be intuitive to see that x add 1 squared can be expressed as x add 1 to x add 1. So that will give us three expressions in the denominator, which confirms that we can express this fraction as three separate fractions. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Alistair. Keep practicing, and bye for now.